YouTube automation refers to the concept of creating and managing a YouTube channel without having to appear in the videos. This method allows you to earn revenue from ads without needing to be physically present on the channel. YouTube automation itself does not directly generate income. Instead, YouTube automation tools and strategies can help streamline your content creation and promotion processes, which can indirectly contribute to your revenue generation on YouTube. Here are the primary ways to make money on YouTube. Ad revenue. When you enable monetization on your YouTube channel and meet the eligibility criteria, you can earn money through ads displayed on your videos. YouTube's advertising program places ads before, during, or alongside your video content, and you receive a share of the revenue generated from those ads. Channel memberships. Once you meet the requirements, you can offer channel memberships to your subscribers. Channel members pay a monthly fee in exchange for exclusive perks, such as badges, emojis, special access to content, or members-only live chats. Automation tools can assist in managing and promoting your channel membership program. Super Chat and Super Stickers. Super Chat allows viewers to purchase highlighted messages during live chat streams. It's a way for viewers to stand out and get their messages noticed by the creator and other viewers. Super Stickers are animated stickers that viewers can purchase during live chat streams. Automation tools can help manage and promote live chat interactions and facilitate the monetization of Super Chat and Super Stickers. Merchandise shelf. YouTube allows eligible channels to showcase their official merchandise on their videos through the merchandise shelf feature. Creators can use automation tools to integrate and manage their merchandise offerings, making it easier for viewers to discover and purchase merchandise directly from YouTube. Sponsored content and brand partnerships. As your channel grows, you may attract opportunities for sponsored content and brand partnerships. Automation tools can help manage communications, contracts, and collaborations with brands or sponsors. They can assist in organizing sponsored content and tracking deliverables.
Making money with YouTube automation involves leveraging tools and strategies to streamline your content creation and promotion processes. However, it's important to note that automating YouTube activities can be challenging due to YouTube's policies and guidelines. While I can provide some general guidance, it's crucial to comply with YouTube's terms of service and community guidelines to avoid any penalties or account suspension. Here are some steps to consider. Choose a niche. Selecting a niche is crucial as it helps you focus your content and target a specific audience. Choose a topic or theme that you're passionate about and that has a potential audience. Conduct market research to understand the demand and competition within your chosen niche. Content creation. Create high-quality videos that provide value to your viewers. Determine the format and style of your videos based on your niche and audience preferences. Invest in good equipment for recording, ensure clear audio, and create visually appealing content. Develop a consistent content schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, vidIQ, or TubeBuddy to research popular and relevant keywords for your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This research helps you understand what people are searching for and enables you to optimize your content to appear in search results. Incorporate these keywords naturally within your content to improve discoverability. Video optimization. Optimize your video's metadata, including title, description, and tags. Craft a compelling title that grabs attention and accurately represents your video's content. Write a detailed and informative description that incorporates relevant keywords and provides an overview of what viewers can expect. Use tags strategically to describe the content and improve search visibility. Thumbnails and titles. Create visually appealing and clickable thumbnails that accurately represent your video's content. A well-designed thumbnail can significantly impact click-through rates. Similarly, craft compelling and attention-grabbing titles that make viewers curious and eager to watch your videos. Automation tools. Utilize automation tools to streamline certain tasks and improve efficiency. For example, you can use video editing software to automate repetitive editing processes, saving time and effort. Social media management tools can help schedule and promote your content across various platforms, allowing you to reach a wider audience. Engagement and community building. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and building a community around your content. Building a loyal subscriber base requires establishing a connection with your viewers. Responding to comments, running contests, and creating a sense of community fosters engagement and loyalty. Monetization. Once your channel meets the eligibility criteria, apply for YouTube's partner program to enable monetization. This program allows you to earn revenue through various channels, such as ads, channel memberships, super chat, merchandise shelf, and more. Comply with YouTube's policies and guidelines to maintain eligibility and ensure a positive user experience. Promote your videos. Actively promote your videos to reach a wider audience. Share them on social media platforms, relevant forums, and communities related to your niche. Collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers to cross-promote each other's content. Building a strong online presence outside of YouTube can help attract more viewers to your channel. Analytics and optimization. Regularly analyze your YouTube analytics to gain insights into your audience's preferences, video performance, and engagement metrics. Use this data to refine your content strategy, identify what works best, and optimize your videos for better results. Experiment with different types of content, formats, and presentation styles based on the feedback and data you gather. Remember to always comply with YouTube's terms of service and community guidelines. Avoid engaging in activities that violate these guidelines, such as buying views or subscribers, as they can harm your channel's reputation and lead to penalties. Additionally, stay updated with YouTube's policies and algorithm changes. YouTube regularly updates its guidelines and algorithms, so staying informed will help you adapt your strategies to ensure your channel's success and longevity.